We are going to be folding a rabbit and a flapping bird today. Okay, so let's get started. Take one piece of A4 sheet. Let's divide it in two. Make sure to crease well. Cut the paper. Now make a square. Now let's fold the flapping bird first. First, proceed to fold an X. Then let's flip the paper and fold a plus. After folding the plus, take these 2 points at the edge together and these 2 points at this edge together and fold them together. You will get this pyramidal shape. Put 3 of the flaps on one side and 1 flap on one side. Then take this bottom zone to this edge right here, like so. Fold it, and once we fold it, we will squash this side and align this sheet with this edge right here. Make your crease. Now flip the paper and repeat the same step. Take this edge to this edge right here. Take this edge. Make sure they are aligned. Crease and collapse. Now we have a line right here. So we're going to take this edge and align it to that line. Make a crease, open it up. Now open your phone and invert the piece of paper like so. Repeat the same step. Take this edge and fold it down like so, and open this up, poke the paper and collapse it. Now we have a flapping bird. Hold the neck and pull this. Now let's fold the rabbit. Again, make a square. fold your paper in two, and then fold it again in half. Now we have fold this edge with this edge like so, and repeat the same thing on this side. Now, as you can see, we have two folds here and here. Open the paper and follow these folds. Follow these folds. Put these two flaps down. You will have a diamond shape. Now, flip the model and fold along this line like so. Flip the model again. Take this edge and align it with the central line like so. Now fold along this line. Fold this in half, maybe a little less than half, and fold the entire model in half. Now hold these two flaps and pull the model a little above, and now squash it against a table. Now take this edge and fold it across like so. Now open your model and follow these folds right here like this. Now open the model again, take this point and fold it down, making this pointy. We are almost done with our origami rabbit. Now over here in these flaps there is a slit. We're just going to put our finger in there and rub our nail across the back. Okay, you have a pocket right here, so you're going to put your finger in there and uncrease the crease at the back. Now you have your origami rabbit. Thank you for folding with KidsBuddy.